Welcome to the Arches and Bridges challenge. Let's have a look at getting started. So I want you to go to SketchUp for Web for starters. So if you just search up SketchUp for Web and go start modeling, you'll be able to log in for free just using your student account. Okay, you don't need the paid version for this. We're just using it as a student, so that's all cool. Once you're in, you'll be able to open up the model that I've got for you. So this is the Arches and Bridges lamp. And the idea of the challenge is to create a lamp. So I've given you the shell here in which a character is able to walk from in one arch and out the other and across to another lamp. Okay, so the features that you'll need to do. So let's have a bit of a look around what's going on here. So we've got, I've kept all this line work that builds up the lamp here to make it easier for you to build some geometry out from. So think of these as like ruler marks. These won't print when you hit print to print your 3D model. These don't show up. They're just guides. Okay. So let's have a bit of a look around. So we've got our two arched entrances here, and then a few other features that we've got. I've made this 5mm by 5mm by the door width notch here that your bridge can fit into. So you'll be able to bridge up multiples of these lamps together. You'll have to decide on what your bridge is going to look like. Is it going to have steps? Is it going to be a suspension bridge? Is it going to go down to the ground? Is it going to go back up again? Is there a spiral staircase? Well, totally up to you. And then so we've got it in and an out. They're both exactly the same dimensions from the outside, so they'll line up on multiple models. Also, if we have a look in the top here, it's got a couple of things. It's got a cutout here that we can run our wiring through. I've got a little couple of cutouts here that we can, once the wire comes through, we can run a cable tie around this and cable tie our wiring in as it comes through, and then our LEDs can sit in this gallery, the circular gallery in here, or we might buy a circular disc-shaped LED that they're pretty standard, we can drop in there as well. And also we need just a roof section to drop in on the top. You might design a flat roof section, or you might decide that you want some other kind of section. So I haven't popped one of those on there at the moment. Maybe you want to have multiples of these and you want to have them stacked vertically and the light shines through. If that was the case, maybe you'd need to think about putting a hole in the floor of the top one so that the light shines all the way down through. That's all up for you to work out. So that's really all you need to know about this. Once you're going, you'll be basically using a range of different kind of tools here to help you create your objects. You'll need to create them fairly accurately. So you'll soon be able to work that out as you go along, but you'll be able to, let me do the most basic one. So don't go this basic, but I could bring out this from here, and then I could bring this one out to here, and it's like, oh yeah, I've completed the level and my character is able to walk out along here. That's not the most exciting kind of looking solution because we want something that looks a bit aesthetically interesting. So maybe have a look at those MC Escher like drawings with the stairwells that go up all around the place. I'll show you how to do stairs accurately in SketchUp as we get going. But for the moment, have a look at, get this model open, have a look at it and see what you reckon. And we'll take it from there.